Hello and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here with my second unboxing from One Day Savings. First of all, they sent me the light box. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. I will link that video down in the description box below, along with the light box. And I will link all the items that are in this unboxing. I just wanted to show you one diamond painting that my niece Melissa did for me. One Day Savings sent this to me, and she did this for me. Melissa, she is such a sweet girl, and I told her she could do this and I would make a video of it, and then I would give this back to her. So thank you so much, Melissa, and thank you, One Day Savings, for sending this to me. This is really cute, and she really enjoyed doing this, and yeah, it turned out beautiful. So that is that one. And then I think I showed you this one of the horses. This one, this huge one. These are going in my living room. So this is one that I think I showed you last time. And I will link these, if I can find them, I will link them down below also. But I don't think I have shown you this one. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I had so much fun doing this, and it is so beautiful. My living room is gonna be hung with these beautiful horses. This is one horse, but yeah, I think this is my favorite so far. I just love this one. Okay, now I will go on to the unboxing. So you saw the one that my niece did, so that was one of them. Then they sent me these ones. This is one, it's like a coaster. So it is, let's open it up and have a look at it. It comes with everything you need, your little pen. Let me just fix my thing here. Oop. Oh my goodness. Yeah, with your little pen and your little tray and your little glue there, your wax. And then it comes with the beads that you need. And I thought this would be perfect for Billy, since this isn't such a big one. I think he might like this, and it has big letters and numbers. I think he might like doing this one. And it's a coaster. It's like a wooden coaster. Or even a hot plate you could use it for. So I think that is going to be really fun. So I'll show that to you when that one is done. Then there are so many to choose from. It's just, you got to check out the website, One Day Savings, and they're just so beautiful. All of them, you want one of each. They're just so gorgeous. So this is another one they sent me, and they actually picked this one out. I said, yep, whatever you pick out for me is what I'll do. And they picked this one out, and it's kind of like, you know, like the dandelion fluff. I think that's what it looks like. And this is a 30 by 40 centimeters. So it's a nice size. It doesn't take too long. And look at the beautiful colors. Oh, I just love the colors. And it comes with all the little dots you need. These ones are circles. my favorite is the square ones like this. These are the square drills. They call the little dots drills. And those are, I think they turn out the best. But the round ones are okay too. I don't mind doing the round ones either. They don't take as long. So yeah, go check out One Day Savings and you will not be disappointed with what you find there. Their prices are amazing. And I have a discount code for you. It'll be in the description box. So go check that out. And go have yourself a play. You will have so much fun. I thought to myself, diamond painting? No, I won't get into that. But boy, was I wrong. I am totally into it. And I am loving it. So go check out One Day Savings and see what you can find. Bye.